guys, this is my first hoodie I get. Okay, you can see this hat is very cool. Okay, and look is here. See, it look like good, and its head looks like very good. You can do this. See, like that. Okay, and his legs is too good, and they get bad. Okay, see, and the gun side is very good. See, it can move. Okay, and the sheriff badge, see, looks like a real badge. Okay, and it has not a real white box. This is a fake. Okay, it look like a white box, but it is not a white box. And you can see his belt has a bull, and it looks like Toy Story. Okay, Toy Story 1. Okay, and I just open it, and I just raise my first day on. My real name is Rehan Raja. Hope you like this video, and make sure to make a like and subscribe. See you.